Hello dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the next trend in marketing, that is telemarketing. So the word itself will tell you doing or conducting the business activities over the telephone. We call it as telemarketing. It is also known as teleselling. This is the act of selling, soliciting. Soliciting means you're going to greet, you're going to provide the information to the customers, you're going to convince the customers. That is soliciting. Selling, soliciting, or promoting a product or a service to an established or a potential customers over the telephone. So established means already the customers who is purchasing with you. Potential customers means the customers who are willing to purchase the goods and services from you in future. So that we call it as potential customers. So what is telemarketing? It is an act of selling, soliciting, or promoting a product or service to the established or potential customers over a telephone. That you call it as telemarketing. These topics are very general, you can write on your own only. So here telephone is an interactive medium. So telephone is used as an interactive medium between the buyer and seller. So why telephone is used and for what telephone is used, in the sense to receive the orders, for make any further inquiries, request, to mail the informations, to send the brochures and the catalogs to the customers. This telephone is used as a medium. So this is all about the telemarketing. What are the advantages of telemarketing? Under that we have instant response. So telemarketing gets the immediate and instant response from the prospective customers. So as and when you call the particular customer, you can receive, once they receive the phone, you also can receive what and all the needs and preferences are there from the customer side. So instantly they are going to tell you. So that is instant response, on spot. Whenever you call them over a telephone, you will get a particular information and orders from the customers. Next we have customer convenience. It can be suited to the convenient timings of the prospective customer. So henceforth, using the telephone, the transactions will be conducted at any time which is convenient for the customer. Next we have customer relationship. The customer relationship will be enhanced in case of telemarketing. Why? Because it is a two-way communication. So once you contact your customers through the telephone, they are going to respond to you immediately. So there is a two-way communication. Yavaga two-way communication irutto, the customer relationship will become strong. Okay, and which leads to the customer loyalty. So yavaga customers loyalty ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. In fact nowadays every business needs the loyalty of the customer. So this is one of the advantages of telemarketing. Next you have 24/7. So telemarketing can be done on 24/7 basis. So there is no particular time for telemarketing. Next you have technological issues. So when compared to e-business, the technological issues in case of telemarketing will be lesser here. So whatever information you wanted to convey, the technological issues related to the product or services can be betterly conveyed through telemarketing. Why? Because you will be having a two-way communication. You are going to directly contact your customers. Henceforth the technological issues will be cleared on spot. But in case of e-business, it is not like that. We don't know who is the seller, so we cannot contact him directly using his telephone number or a mobile number. You can just drop a message, query. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಟೆಲಿಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸೊ ದ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಗಿವ್ ದ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಲಿಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್, which can be used for marketing planning and various other aspects. ಯಾವಾಗ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ, at that time it will become easy for the marketers to plan and take further action. So this is one of the advantages of telemarketing. Next we have, it is cost effective. So compared for e-business, telemarketing is cost effective. So e-business ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ನ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಸ್ನ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ಔಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೋರ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಲಿಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್. Cost will be more in case of e-business, but when compared to telemarketing, here the telemarketing will be cost effective in nature. Next, contact with the customer. Once if you have a phone number of a customer, you can contact your customers on a regular basis. So whenever you're going to introduce a new product or a services, easily we can contact the customer. So this is the advantages of the telemarketing. We are left out with 4 to 5 another advantages. We shall discuss that advantages together with disadvantages in the next classes. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.